today's video, I will be giving 3 tips on how to increase your chances of surviving the killers in Pillar Chase. Strategy number 1, do not waste your stamina while not being chased by the killer. So imagine you already used all your stamina, but then you happen to run into the killer by accident. So to prevent that from happening, I highly suggest you to only walk around the map and only use your stamina when you hear or see the killer coming. Alright, so strategy number 2, only stick in a group with players. If you do, you have a chance of surviving. Now, for example, you have a 50% chance the killer will go after you, and another 50% chance that the killer will go after another player. Now, in this clip here, you can see me and this guy were being chased by the killer, and he caught up to us, but for some reason, he didn't kill me, he went after the other guy instead. Strategy 3, always have full health. I studied the game a little and I noticed that some killers let you go after players with the least health. If you don't want that to happen, I suggest you to buy medkit at the shop before a round starts. If you're lucky enough, some will even spawn around the map. If this Roblox tutorial helped you, like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this one.